So this is our new Project Y series of bicycles. So these aren't actual products we're launching. This is more of a glimpse into the future of what Focus as a brand can offer. So this is just one representation of what we could possibly do with the technology. So this uses our Fatsua motor and battery system, which we currently use on another platform, which is the Raven Max. So it is a platform we have used previously, and the idea with the bike is that it has a much lighter battery, a bit of lower capacity, but the idea is that it's more of an assistance than a classic e-bike. So it has a different feel to standard e-bikes. It's much less intrusive. The power is fed in much smoother, and it still has the same maximum speed limit that all e-bikes have in the UK. It still tops out at 25 kilometers an hour, but the cut-off point is much less intrusive, so it's easier to ride over the 15 mile an hour. Sorry. So it feels more like a bike, and you actually only use the power when you need it. So when you hit an incline or a headwind section where you would dip below 15 mile an hour, the motor will engage, and it assists the ride. And we have 3 different setups. This is our cyclocross representation of it. So with this model, we've got a Di2 setup, but thanks to the really good eTube software, we can run this 1x. So traditionally, a Shimano system is always 2x on Di2, but with the eTube software, we can use an XTR rear mech with an 1142 cassette and a single chainring front. With the Shimano software, you can change the buttons on the levers so that you don't have a redundant lever, so you can have an upshift and a downshift, or vice versa. The Fatsua system uses a really simple head unit, which we use across the range. It's the same motor and the same frame on the 3 different platforms. But again, very simple. 2 buttons, up or down, to go through the 3 modes, and an on and off switch. And it's as straightforward as it looks. And the battery and the motor are all housed in the down tube. So you have the battery at the front section, the motor at the rear. But the really good thing with this system is that if you don't want to use the battery, you can take that out, and there's a cover available from Fatsua that means it's just like a normal bike. The gearbox unit in the bottom bracket only adds 1 kilo of weight, so without the battery and motor, it's very close to a standard bike weight. And we're looking at about 12 to 13 kilos per bike, depending on the spec. This one's a little heavier, it's a cyclocross build, but the next one we go on to is our